Hi students, welcome in our science section, chapter number 3rd, part 1st, life and survival of animals. Let us learn about in this lesson adaptations in animals, types of animals, adaptation according to food habits and adaptation for protection. Student, you know there are many kinds of animals on earth. They live on land, in water or in air. Earth has a vast areas of grasslands, big oceans, rivers, icy mountains, and scorching desert. The duration of sunlight, rainfall, and wind vary according to the climate. These regions, animals live in a place which provides them plenty of food, water, and the right kind of environment for them to live and reproduce. The type of environment which is just right for an animal to live in and thrive is called its habitats. Animals choose to live in a habitat which suits them best. You will never see polar bear in desert or camels at the North Pole. It is easier for animals to live in a particular biome and a habitat. A penguin will not survive long in the Paleocene enclosure at Delhi Zoo. Means student, you understand there are many kinds of animals on the earth, and also you can see vast areas of grasslands, ocean, rivers, mountains, and there is also different types of climates and regions. And also animals live in particular place. It is called as a habitat. Live and survive in that particular place is called as a habitat. Means some animals live in the forest. Means forest is a habitat. Some animals live in the desert. Desert is its habitat. Some animals live in the water, then water is habitat. Some water live underground habitat. Means underground means inside the ground. Means animal where is live in a particular place is called as its habitats. Then adaptation. What is meant by adaptation? We see different types of animals living in a different parts of the world. The same kind of animals are not found in every place on the earth. Means you are learn at previous point. Habitat means particular place for survive and living. Means you know student, every time same animal you cannot see in the same different region. Means do you notice any difference in the behavior and body designs of these animals? Why is it is so? Means student, you observe that animals, you observe desert animals, terrestrial animals, and also you are observe the polar region animals. They are also different types of animals. Means you can observe polar region animals having fur, aquatic animals having fins for swimming. Means animals found in a different environmental conditions show different behavior. Some animals walk, some fly, others jump, crawl or swim. We also observe different body structure of animals living in different parts of the world. All these features help them to survive in the surroundings through adjustment to the environmental conditions, food, and a way to protect themselves. For example, fish are adapted to live only in a water. Yet there are some types of fish that can survive for long periods even if the water is in pond dries. Means for example African dungfish. You know student, then what is meant by adaptation? This process of adjustments of animals and plants according to the surrounding in which they live is called a adaptation. Means you adjust there and live there and survive. Animals that are not able to adapt to drastic changes in their surrounding, slowly they die. You know, dinosaurs ruled the earth for 200 million years, but sudden changes in the earth's climate and inability to adjust to those conditions led to their extinction about 65 million years ago. Means animal which is not survive, not is adjust in a particular region, then they are not survive, they are die. So what is meant by adaptation? You understand? Process of adjustments of animals. Then types of animals. Animal can be grouped into following types according to the habitat and the spatial features they have developed over time to survive in a particular environment. Means animals are classified at the according to their habitat: terrestrial, aerial, arboreal, aquatic, and amphibians. Terrestrial, cat, dog. Aerial means birds, insect. Arboreal, monkey, lizard. Aquatic, fish, whales. And amphibians, frog and toads. Terrestrial animals. First, you can learn about terrestrial animals. Animals which live on a land are called terrestrial animals. Some animals live on the earth's surface like lion, tigers, elephants, goats. Some live in burrows like rabbits and mongoose. Moles and rats live in underground tunnels and snakes live in holes made by the other creatures. Means terrestrial animals. Those animals which are live on the land are called terrestrial animals. Then what is the adaptive features of terrestrial animals? Most of these animals have legs to walk with and lungs to breathe through. Means terrestrial animals first feature, they have a legs to walk. They have well developed sense organs and a nervous system for quick response to changes in their surrounding, and they also have a well developed sense organs. Animal like snakes do not have legs. They have scales that help them to crawl. Them do not have external ears, but they can feel the sound as well as unseen movement through vibrations in the ground. Means also crawling animals live on the land. For example, snake. They have scales that help them to crawl. They not have external ears, but they can feel the sound as well as unseen movement through vibration. Means student, you understand terrestrial animals and their features. Animals which live on the land are called terrestrial. Terrestrial animals have most developed means legs to walk and lungs to breathe. They have well developed sense organs, and some reptile like snakes, they are moved with the help of scales. Then polar region. Polar region are the coldest place on earth. They are covered with snow throughout the year. Animals living in this region need to have special body features. Means polar region is a cold region. Then what is the adaptive features of polar regions? Animals living in a cold regions like bear, yak and moose, ox have fur or long hairs on their bodies to keep them warm. These animals also have a thick layer of fat under the skin which keeps them warm and also supplies energy when food is scarce and less. In winter, when there is a scarcity of food, some animals like polar bear go to sleep for a long time. This is called a hibernation. Animals hibernate or go into deep sleep to escape extreme cold and food scarcity. During this time, these animals live on the fat stored in their bodies. Means, polar region. In polar region is very coldest region. There is found out the animals polar bear, yak, moose, and they have a fur. And under the fur, thick layer of skin fats are present which is supplies energy, and they are having one special feature means hibernation means long sleep. Then when they are go to hibernate, means go into deep sleep for escape extreme cold, and this that time stored fat is help to survive in that condition. Means student, you understand about the terrestrial animals and polar region animals and their features. Do you understand this point? Clear? Thank you.